Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this video, we are going to create a very basic program to open a browser and a URL. It's a very simple program, and it's always been asked in an interview question, whether it's a beginner or intermediate automation test engineering question. For this, we are going to use Java and Selenium. Let's see how to create our first program. I hope you have all your environment set up. You have your IDE, you have Java installed. So let's just create a first project. Just click on new Maven project here. Just click on this create simple project ID. And then you can just click on next. You can give any group ID here. I'm just giving 12. Can be alphanumeric, anything. This artifact ID will be your project name. So just write open browser or maybe open browser and just click on finish here. So they're saying upon.xml file already. So I might have created same project with the same similar node. So I'll just write OpenURL project here. So it's going to create a Maven project here. And you can see this all package has been created for us. We're just going to create a POM file here. And I've opened this ambient repository. You can just click on or do a Google search by writing NPM repositories. And in this NPM repositories, you can just write Selenium here. Selenium. And in the Selenium, you just have to click this Selenium Java. There are several types of dependencies listed here for Selenium. Just go with the Selenium Java and then just click on this latest version. Right now it's 4.27. It might change with the time. So I'm just going to click on this 4.27 here. I'm going to copy this code and then I'm going to paste this thing in my POM file. So below this version level, just create one more tag that's dependencies. And then within dependencies, you just copy this code. Click on save. Now this thing is going to build and install the dependency here, right? So let's create our first class here. Click on new class. Give your class name. I'm going to open a Google, so I'm just gonna write to open Google. Okay. And then just click on this main method so that it create main method for you. Now you have to import Selenium. So what you're going to do is write import keyword here, and then to import this thing, I think there's a code for that. It's like org.openqa package, and now just have to install the first keyword for it. You'll just write open QA, and then you can find this thing open QA.selenium. So after this, there's an asterisk, which means it's going to install all the packages with that. But normally for Chrome, I have to write one more import. But let's see if it asks for that or not. So in this main method, what we are going to do is we are going to write our first program. So for that, let's just install the WebDriver first. So WebDriver, and then we're gonna write the driver equals to new Chrome driver. Okay. Now this D should be kept in here. That's how it's written in Java. Two brackets closed. And now you see the error, why this error is coming, because Chrome driver has not been installed. It's not been imported here. So what we are going to rewrite this open.org.openqa here. Click on Selenium, go down and click on Chrome. So now it's going to install all Chrome driver. And now it's like Chrome D should go away. right? There's one more error I'm seeing. It's like a driver. So D should be capital. They use camel case for that. So anything coming after that it should be capital. Now, what we are going to use, we are going to use this driver. We are going to use this driver to open our URL. So driver dot. So what we are doing is we are accessing the methods which are been written, in the driver method, in the web driver. So this is all method which you can use to perform automation. What we are going to do here is we are going to first, uh, let's say we are going to open our first URL. So normally there are several keywords for that. I'm gonna make another video explaining what's the function of every keywords in the WebDriver function. But for now, we're just going to use .get. Now, .get is used to open a URL. That's it. For this video, just to want to know that .get keywords like driver.get will only open the URL. So click on driver.get and over here you have to pass a string. Either you can write, like first you have to mention the HTTP. I think I should put the S for the Google and then, oh, sorry, not. You can write Google or maybe www.google.com. I'll just go with the google.com here. .com. And then after that, uh, I'll just close the driver. So I'll use the driver.quit function. Okay, sorry, not method, right? Now, this should open the driver. Okay, and then open the browser and then open the URL. Let's see. Do this or not. Uh, so has opened the browser and it has opened the Google. So that means, and it has also closed the browser too. It's going to run one more time because I have clicked run 2 times. That's all. And now our first test case has been successful. So this is a very simple program.